Hello guys, welcome back to the channel NEM-TRADE. I hope everyone is fine. Today we're going to talk about the opsec token, which is a AI token, and we can say it is a GPU technology. As we see, its price is 1.8 when I was recording, and as we go in the market, it is not listed on any main exchanges, so you can buy it on OpenOcean, which is a better option for you. And it is also going today recently uh, having collaborations with near protocols and many others, and it is an AI decentralized supercomputer applications provider. As you see, it has many backends backers such as Tensor Tau, and we can see Starknet as well, Optimism, and Base is one of the biggest layer 2 without even listing its token. On OpenSec, as you see there, cloud words, OpenSec applications, router application, networks applications, and it provides RDPs, which is the fastest one currently in the market. And as we see, it is one of the great projects which aren't listed. It use mesh topology, which does not mean, which means if I mean one one server gets down, it will still work. As we see their roadmap, it shows they have just passed phase one and they are moving into their phase 2, so it is too early to buy it. And as it gets the phase 3 4, it may get listed on some like exchanges like KuCoin and others. And if you have the questions, you can check in the facts, and if you want to run the nodes, just go in the products. As you go in the products, you will get the nodes and the methods in them as well. As you click on them, some nodes are on the test net, some nodes are on the main net. You can check over here, you can check their VPS, GPUs and cores, and etc, and also their roadmaps as well. I hope everyone should like this gem, because this is going to be one of the great tokens in the future after getting fully launched mainnet, which is in the phase 7, I think. So just keep this gem in your list so you don't miss it. Have a good day. Bye bye.